The IPM canvas is getting bigger with each passing day. IIM Jammu joins the list and becomes the fifth IIM in the country to offer a 5-year integrated program in management after class 12th. Isn't that a great news? Hi, welcome to Career Launcher. Yes, the IPM story is getting bigger, and as expected earlier, more IIMs are coming forward to catch young minds immediately after class 12th. IIM Indore was the first one to start this program in the year 2011, followed by IIM Rohtak in 2019. And we all know IIM Ranchi and IIM Bodh Gaya have already announced that they will be taking admissions for the IPM program from the academic year 2021. Now, IIM Jammu comes to the fold and they'll be starting a similar program from this academic year itself. To be eligible for admissions to the IPM program at IIM Jammu, the candidate must have passed class 12th or equivalent examination either in the year 2019 or 2020, or should be appearing for the board examinations in 2021. To be eligible for admissions, the candidate must have secured at least 60% marks in aggregate in class 10th as well as class 12th. There is a relaxation for 5% marks for the students belonging to SC, ST or PWD category. So what is the admission process for IPM at IIM Jammu? Well, IIM Jammu will conduct its own entrance examination known as AEE, the Admissions Entrance Examination. AEE will comprise of 100 questions in multiple choice format spanning across 3 sections: quantitative aptitude, verbal ability and logical reasoning. Similar to IIM Indore's IPM 80 paper, the AE will also have sectional time limits. The quantitative aptitude and verbal ability sections will have 35 questions each, and the candidate is required to attempt these sections within the time limit of 35 minutes each. Whereas in the logical reasoning section, you will have 30 questions to be attempted within 30 minutes. The marking scheme has a provision for penalty. For every correct attempt, you will be awarded 2 marks, and for every incorrect attempt, 0.5 marks will be deducted. It is important to note here that there will be no personality assessment round, which means there will be no written ability test and personal interview. So what will be the criteria for the final selection? The final merit list will be prepared basis a composite score which will have the scores of AEE, the Admissions Entrance Examination, and there will be a weightage for your class 10th and class 12th performance. The Admissions Entrance Examination score will have 60% weightage in the final merit list preparation, whereas your performance in your class 10th and class 12th board will have 15% weightage each. There is also a provision for 10% weightage for gender diversity, which means female candidates definitely have an edge over here. The timelines have not been announced yet, so we don't know when the examination is going to be held, but I'm sure it's going to be held after the board examinations. The application process is yet to start. More information is awaited. So please stay tuned to our channel to get regular updates, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Career Launcher.